y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Shape Tape Glow Wand by Tarte. I feel like a lot of people don't really know much about this product, or they think something completely different. That's why I wanted to do this video. So if you want to learn more about the Glow Wand, then just keep watching. So I feel like a lot of people think that the Glow Wand is a concealer since it has Shape Tape on the packaging, but that's just because it's part of the Shape Tape collection and pairs really well with the Shape Tape concealer, but it's not a concealer, it is a liquid highlighter. I absolutely love this product and I really think that y'all will too once you learn a little bit more about it. So here is what it looks like. It has a wand applicator that looks like this that I really love, and then on the other side it has a removable sponge, which makes it perfect for traveling and on the go if you want to kind of freshen up your under eye. So it makes it the perfect size for that. I actually use a damp beauty sponge for my foundation and concealer, so that's what I use to blend it out, but you could use whichever one you prefer. So they recommend finding one that's close to your skin tone. That's kind of the easiest way to go about picking your color. But if you do have a highlighter preference, next to each shade, it has the undertones listed online if you want to do it that way. So I'm actually having to mix two colors right now, a light and Dream. A light is a little bit too light for me right now that I've gotten a little bit of sun, and then Dream is more my skin tone. So I mix the two if I want it to stand out a little bit more, but if I'm not wearing any foundation and keep it more natural, then I just do Dream by itself. So now I'm going to go ahead and talk about the different uses for it. There's actually several, but the main one that I use it for is just like any other highlighter. I do it on my cheekbones. So I'm going to go ahead and show y'all how I do that. And another thing I love about this product is it doesn't have any shimmer or glitter in it, so that makes it great for all different ages, even mature skin. I actually love, love, love it on mature skin. So there's a lot of product that comes out on the wand, so I wipe quite a bit off, but you can do as little or as much as you want. You can always add more if you want it to stand out a little bit more. So I start about the middle of my eye and just tap it along my cheekbone. So that one is a light. And then this one is Dream. So I'm going to just mix those two together. So you can see I have quite a bit on, but it's going to blend out so pretty. So like I mentioned before, I just use my beauty sponge that I already have damp. If you want, you can go in the inner corner, but I usually don't, just because I have a little bit of hollowness and I feel like when I add it there, it kind of makes it stand out, and I do not want that. But I do take it right underneath my eye on the corner and kind of in the middle. And then I take the end and kind of just go along the edges to make sure it's all blended. But look at that glow. Is that not so pretty? I feel like that just really brightened up my face, and it just gives your skin that nice, healthy glow. So then I just take what's left over on my sponge and just add it to the center of my nose. You can do your chin if you want, and the center of your forehead, and you can do your Cupid's bow, but I'm not going to do that since I have pink lipstick on. I do not want hot pink lipstick on my beauty sponge. That would not be good. Ugh, I just love, love, love this. So if you want, you can even put it on your collarbones. Oh, look at that. Need to blend it out a little bit more, but then if you want to do like your shoulders. Oh, look. This is actually the first time I've done it on my skin. I probably need a darker one for my body, because that's pretty pretty bright. So I actually put it those same places even if I don't have foundation on. If I'm doing more of a natural look, I still love that healthy glow. So I will do the same thing. Or if you want to have an all over glow, you can actually mix it in with your foundation. I love it mixed in with the Tarte concealer. It just makes your skin look so dewy and glowy, and I love it. And how many times can I say dewy and glowy in this video? Even if you don't wear foundation, you can mix it in with your moisturizer. That will still give you an all over glow. You can mix it in with your primer. You can even mix it in with your concealer. If your concealer's a little bit dry, or if you just want to really brighten up your under eye, you can use it that way as well. So those are some of the ways that you can use the Shape Tape Glow Wand. I really hope that this video helped y'all understand the product a little better and gave y'all some ideas on how to use it. If you are excited to give it a try now and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.